Beautiful flowers, beautiful flowers, beautiful flower garden, beautiful, so beautiful. Uh, I wish I knew these plant names to tell you guys, but it's beautiful, 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 beautiful. This one is so, so, so pretty. The yellow, so, so pretty. Even the bee love the plants. They are gorgeous plants. All grown by my sister, and you can find some corn in the mix. Yes, sweet corn. Yeah, so beautiful. So, so beautiful. I'm so amazed at this garden. So, so beautiful. Mhm. Who is on? I'm not so sure who's on. Welcome into my life. Beautiful plants from my sister garden. Beautiful, beautiful. I wish I knew the name, but I don't. Look at this pumpkin. I think there's one on it. Let me see. I think there's a pumpkin. Oh, this is squash. Yes, this is squash. Yes, but there is pumpkin also. There is pumpkin. Look at the beautiful. I forgot the names, but they are really beautiful. This is a pumpkin. Look at that big pumpkin. She's good at this. Our hands are fruitful. Our hands are so blessed to do these things. Look at them. Beautiful plants. The garden is beautiful and fruitful. See another corn over there. Let me share this live again because for what's going on. But it's beautiful plants coming to you live from my sister garden. Kenny's finally. Good morning, Kenny's. Finally, you can comment. Share the live, Kenny's. Welcome in. Welcome in and share the live on. You finally can comment. Yeah, you. You finally can comment, love. Yes, nice plants. Nice plants. I wish I knew the name of each of them, but I don't. You know. You know, the plants have the season. So it's now summer, so she could um she get to revive our plants. Yes. As I said before, there's pumpkin and squash. There's squash. Yeah, there's a squash right there. Yes. And there's pumpkin and there's corn. So it's not just flowers. Hi Nishan. Welcome in and share the live. Welcome in. I wish I knew the plant's name, but I don't. But it's so gorgeous. I had to do a video for you guys to see. This is some purple ones on the ground. I don't know if you guys know the name of these plants. Link it in the comment section. My sister not here to tell me the names, but yeah, she would tell me the names of every one of them. But yeah, yes, thank you, Kenny's. Thank you so much. Yeah, I wish it's not everybody hands are blessed to be able to grow their plants like this. Some people, as they go, start planting, it dies. But her hands are blessed. And we have also in this garden some corn, sweet corn coming. Yes, sweet corn coming. My favorite. It's my favorite. Corn is my favorite too. I love corn. So yeah, thanks Kenny's for sharing. And yeah, sometimes I'm not so sure when to go live because everybody go lives at times. But I decide to just do a plant live this morning. Yes, they are beautiful. They are beautiful. Some without blossom, some without flower, but the tree alone makes it beautiful. Look at that purple tree. It doesn't do a bloom. I don't think it do a bloom, but it is so pretty in the garden. Yeah, and that green one, that green mushy one. Look at it. They're all beautiful. They are all beautiful. Look at this yellow one. I love it. I love this one. But some of the insect and some of the things, them not giving her a break. They come in the garden and they eat up what they are to eat up and crush up what they are to crush up. Look at this beautiful rose. So beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. I so love it. Yeah. Beautiful garden. Beautiful, beautiful. See? Beautiful, guys. And this is foreign. This is not Jamaica. This is foreign. And look at this. Beautiful. She's good at these things. She can decorate your home. She can help you with your gardens to decorate it. She does tablescape on her channel, YouTube channel. It's Decisive Design. You can follow her. You can get so much inspiration and ideas how to set your table, dinner table. Yeah, Christmas coming up and you're gonna need to set your table nicely. She does all of that on our channel. Yeah, tablescape, lots of tablescape. Yeah, so beautiful. So beautiful. Everything have a meaning. Everything have a meaning. Like you would see this as a bush, but it has a meaning. It blossom. See it blossom? Yeah, not true. Yeah. I have so much pictures to take. I don't even ready yet. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Beautiful. And look at that. She designs. She does her design. See? Even a bride could come here and take some beautiful pictures. Bridal party, yeah. hmm Come and take their beautiful pictures. The lawn is gorgeous. It's pretty. You can sit, relax. You can put out some chairs. Yeah, have a good time. hmm She's good, man. She's just good at this. So good at this. hmm Look at this. We in Jamaica would never know. I think that this, we'll call it a bush. Look how it look nice in the garden. It look nice. So there's a Christmas tree coming right there. Right there. All naturally grown. hmm hmm Beautiful. I didn't get this part from my jeans. I didn't get this touch, this flower touch and this decorating touch. She got it all. She got it all. Hmm. Everywhere you go, plants are beautiful, and this is just um, a close-up view. So if I was to project it a little further, so she does it in different order. This is another little section. Yeah, the chairs and stuff are out. We can sit and relax. It's another Christmas tree. Yeah. Yep, 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 yep. Beautiful, beautiful. So that's what I came here this morning to show you guys on my live. The beautiful garden. And more pictures coming soon when I can explain the different plants. I'll do that soon too. This rose is popping up, and every day is a new burst of joy bubbles from these plants. Every day, every day. Look at that. We know the red one. I know the red one in Jamaica. The red hibiscus. Oh, at least I know a plant name. I think it's hibiscus. Mhm. Yeah, I know the red one. Look at that beautiful red something over there. That rose is beautiful. Yes, Nishon, I love it too. I love it too. I love it too, Nishon. She's blessed. Her hands are blessed. I think this look like a hibiscus too. Yeah. Mhm. Mhm. Different colors. Yes. Different colors. So you have the pink one over there. You have there's light pink, and you have the rose pink. I'm not too sure if that's the red one or it's a different plant, that one. But yeah, there are different colors of hibiscus here. Hmm. And she put her little decoration in between the stuff. Look at the nice tree, Christmas tree waiting for Christmas. Yeah. But unfortunately, when Christmas time comes, most of these go in winter and revive back in the summer. She add to them. Some of them grow back naturally, and some of them she add different plants to them. It's amazing. It's really amazing. And look, see what I'm saying about the insect or something coming in and eating down the plants? Look at the leaves. They are so um bad. Look at them. And the rose still try to come. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, our aunt's very blessed. She have a blessed, very, very blessed aunt. I didn't get that. Or maybe I didn't try to get it. Because in Jamaica I'm so busy up and down doing other stuff. I don't get the aunts to really go into the garden and do something with my aunts. But yes, yeah, they're very bad. Very, very bad. She's in wrestle with them with our plants. Sometimes you come out here and they eat down the pots and stuff. Yeah, we are just struggling with them. But she keeps trying. She still keep it going because it's a therapy, you know. I think it's a very good therapy if you like it to plant your flowers, watch it grows into beautiful rose and stuff. Yeah, it's a therapy. And, and I have the blessing in the kitchen. Talk truth. A true man. Me get that part. I have that part. As she would say. Definitely what she would say. Yes, that's the part I get. I don't really love outdoors. I love indoors. Not an outdoor person. Yes. So yeah, that's why I get the kitchen and stuff. I'll be there on the computer. I'll be inside doing other stuff. If I'm not cooking really or making a smoothie, I'll be there on the computer, listening to some music too and working. Yeah, I don't really like outside, maybe because of insect and stuff. But yeah, but that's me. hmm Yeah. So I'm just bringing this to you so that you could see what I'm up to and know. Well, next time I'll get the name of the plants. Guys, if you know the names of some of these plants, you can put them in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate that. We all kind of like the same thing. So true. So true. We cannot and will not. Some have to do some other stuff. Let me show you this pretty before I go. It's so pretty. It's it's not pink. It's not pink. It's orange. It's orangey. Look at it. It comes small orangey and then it open up like a pink. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah. So yes, Neshana and others, Kenny's. Yes, that's it for today. That's it for today. Yeah. Yes, it's very beautiful. I had to show you guys. And I love the rose here. They are so pretty. Some of these I've never seen. They are so beautiful. So, yeah. So beautiful. Mm-hmm. Very beautiful. I wish it could stay like this all year round, but they are seasonal. Yes. So yes, Nishan, Kenny's, and others on the live, thank you so much for joining me this morning and touring my garden, well, my sister's garden. Thank you so much. And remember to like the video. Remember to share my videos. Remember to support my channel. Yeah, subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Elijah, my nephew appears. You going to walk?
What? No.
Oh, I did walk. I walk up and down the street. Next time, guys, I take you walking with me. Yeah, I did do a few walking. She went to the store. Mm-hmm. Bye, guys. Bye. Oh, let it go 20 minutes and done. Yeah, it's almost there. Yeah. How do I take this beautiful? Yeah, I need a beautiful I need a beautiful thumbnail from here for this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And like and share the video with your friends and family. let this go viral. Let this go viral. Okay. Bye. Take care. Sunflower. I don't know what is this yellow one is sunflower, Kenny's. This is this sunflower. I don't know. Maybe. Or it more broader, rounder. I don't know. I don't know if this is the sunflower. Oh, that's sunflower. Okay. Yes. There are several in the gardens over the place. Yeah, see it? I didn't even know that. Yes. Okay, guys. Bye. Take care. Thanks for joining. And I'll see you in our next live or whenever I post. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. All right? Bye.